Ever stared at a mountain of receipts, invoices, and bank statements, feeling completely overwhelmed? You're not alone. Many small businesses rely on spreadsheets like Excel to manage their finances. But is Excel really the best tool for the job? Or is there a better solution out there? Today, we're diving deep into Xero, a popular cloud-based accounting software, and exploring whether it's truly similar to Excel, or if it offers a significant upgrade for your business. Transition to explaining the limitations of Excel. Let's face it, Excel is incredibly versatile. You can track expenses, create budgets, generate invoices, and even perform basic accounting functions. But relying solely on spreadsheets for your business finances can quickly become a nightmare. Here's why. Data entry errors. Manual data entry is prone to human error. Misplaced decimals, incorrect formulas, and transposed numbers can quickly throw your entire financial picture off track. Time-consuming. Reconciling bank accounts, tracking invoices, and generating reports in Excel can be incredibly time-consuming and tedious. Limited collaboration. Sharing and collaborating on spreadsheets can be challenging, especially with multiple team members involved. Lack of real-time updates. Keeping your financial data up to date in real time can be difficult with spreadsheets. Security risks. Storing sensitive financial data on your local computer or in shared drives can pose significant security risks. Excel can be a valuable tool for certain tasks, but when it comes to managing the complexities of modern business finances, it often falls short. Introduce Xero and its core features. Enter Xero, a cloud-based accounting software designed specifically for small businesses. Unlike Excel, Xero automates many of the most tedious tasks, freeing you up to focus on growing your business. Here are some of Xero's key features. Bank feeds. Xero automatically imports bank transactions, eliminating the need for manual data entry and reducing the risk of errors. Invoice automation. Create and send professional invoices in seconds, track payments in real time, and get paid faster. Expense tracking. Easily track business expenses with features like bank feeds, receipt capture, and automated expense claims. Payroll processing. Streamline payroll processing with features like automated pay runs, employee self-service portals, and integrated superannuation. Reporting. Generate insightful financial reports with just a few clicks, including profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow forecasts. Real-time collaboration. Collaborate seamlessly with your accountant or bookkeeper in real time, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Cloud-based security. Your financial data is stored securely in the cloud, with robust security measures in place to protect it from cyber threats. These features not only save you time and effort, but also provide you with a more accurate and insightful view of your business finances. Key differences between Xero and Excel. Now, let's delve deeper into the key differences between Xero and Excel. Automation. Xero automates many of the most time-consuming accounting tasks, such as bank reconciliations, invoice creation, and expense tracking. Excel, on the other hand, requires manual data entry and calculations for most functions. Accuracy. Xero's automated features and real-time data updates minimize the risk of human error, ensuring your financial data is always accurate and reliable. Collaboration. Xero facilitates seamless collaboration with your accountant or bookkeeper, allowing them to access and work on your financial data in real time. Excel, on the other hand, can be challenging to share and collaborate on effectively. Scalability. Xero is designed to grow with your business, offering a range of features and integrations to support businesses of all sizes. Excel's capabilities may become limited as your business grows and your financial needs become more complex. Security. Xero's cloud-based platform offers robust security measures to protect your sensitive financial data from cyber threats. Storing financial data on local computers or shared drives can pose significant security risks. In essence, Xero is a dedicated accounting software designed to streamline your financial operations and provide you with valuable insights into your business performance. Excel, while versatile, is primarily a spreadsheet program and may not be the most efficient or secure solution for managing your business finances. Addressing potential concerns and misconceptions. Some might argue that learning Xero requires a steep learning curve. While it's true that there is a learning curve associated with any new software, Xero's intuitive interface and comprehensive online resources make it relatively easy to learn and use. Another common misconception is that Xero is only suitable for large businesses. This is simply not true. Xero is designed for businesses of all sizes, from sole proprietorships to small and medium-sized enterprises. It's also important to note that Xero offers various pricing plans to suit different budgets and business needs. You can choose a plan that aligns with your specific requirements and scale up or down as your business evolves, highlighting the benefits of switching to Xero. Switching to Xero can offer numerous benefits for your business, including increased efficiency, automate tedious tasks, freeing up your time to focus on more strategic aspects of your business, improved accuracy, minimize the risk of human error and ensure your financial data is always accurate and reliable. Enhanced collaboration. Collaborate seamlessly with your accountant or bookkeeper, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Better decision-making. Gain valuable insights into your business performance with insightful financial reports. Improved cash flow. Get paid faster with automated invoicing and streamlined payment processing. Reduced costs. Minimize the costs associated with manual data entry, accounting errors, and late payments. Ultimately, switching to Xero can help you save time, reduce stress, and improve the overall financial health of your business. If you're still relying on Excel for your business finances, it's time to consider a more efficient and effective solution. Xero offers a powerful and user-friendly platform that can help you streamline your accounting operations, improve accuracy, and gain valuable insights into your business performance. I encourage you to explore Xero further and see how it can benefit your business. You can sign up for a free trial to experience the platform firsthand and see if it's the right fit for your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,